everyone, it is Nailah and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I did mini braids on my natural hair. Now before I did this style, I did have a wand curl hairstyle before this, so you can check the link down below in the description box or click the pop-up to see that style. I only had it for about 2 days and then I opted to do a protective style because it was super cold outside and I did not want dry, brittle hair. Now I did decide I wanted to keep this style for about a month, so I'm just gonna use my favorite leave-in conditioner and then layer it with my shea butter mix because I still can't find a product in the market that makes my hair feel moisturized and lock in all the moisture perfectly, so I just make my own at home. If you can't do that, or if you already have a favorite product, just use it, or you could also opt and use your favorite oil on top of your leave-in conditioner. Next, I'm just finger detangling my hair to make sure I did not produce any extra knots within those 2 days. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and braid my hair, and that right there is just my sealant, so I can lock in that moisture because I will be keeping this in for a month. Earlier, I did state that I had a stretched hairstyle prior to doing my protective style, but as a reminder, you do not have to blow dry your hair before you do this hairstyle. And that's why you will see that I did not use water before I applied my leave-in conditioner, because I'm already using a water-based conditioner and I did not want my hair to shrink too much because I wasn't doing the length, right? Okay. As for the ends of my hair, that small quarter that I have on every single braid, I transformed my 3 parts into 2 sections on the ends, and then I twisted the ends of each braid. So the takedown process would be a lot easier for me and I don't have to worry about extra tangles or knots or difficulties unraveling the ends of my hair later. Next, I'm just showing you a close-up of how I braided each section of my hair. Please do not neglect your scalp when you have a protective style. I know it can be so freeing to not having to do anything to your hair, but please condition your scalp with water and an oil. That is it. You can use either jojoba oil, almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil. Those are the best oils for your scalp. This is to ensure the health of your scalp and your follicles, make sure everything is hydrated. And this is also a little tip on how to refresh your braids when they start to look a bit old and dry. Just spritz an oil and you are ready to go. Now you can stop right here. Over the past few weeks, I styled my hair in a bun. I also had 2 braids and pigtails, but I also wanted to be extra, so you could also add any accessories. And that is it for this video. I got so many compliments on this hairstyle and it was super fun. I even styled it with some retro outfits. This is number 1 on my list, and I think I'm going to do this style again with 2-strand twists. Now, if you like this video, please share it, comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the style. Bye!